Hi learners, hope you guys doing great. This is the last case study video. पूरे 12 चैप्टर के केस स्टडी खत्म हो गए. बहुत ही छोटा सा चैप्टर है तो फटाक से शुरू करते हैं, फटाक से खत्म करते हैं. In the above case, identify the consumer rights violated. Raji bought an electric geyser. One day while taking bath, he felt an electric shock. Called the company, asked the concerned person replaced. There was more from the side. The geyser was still in the warranty period. He came to know that many other people also felt the same problem. क्या भाई शॉक वॉक लग रहा है इस प्रोडक्ट से, तो कौन सा राइट नहीं है? दैट इज राइट टू सेफ्टी. और उसने उसको एक और चीज़ बोली थी ना कि गीज़र को रिप्लेस करके दो, वारंटी पीरियड में मेरा हक है, वापस से कुछ भी कंपेंसेशन मांग लेना, आ जाएगा राइट टू सीक रिड्रेसल. तो फर्स्ट इज राइट टू सेफ्टी, सेकंड राइट टू सीक रिड्रेसल. Which consumer responsibility? Adesh has some problem. He purchased a pair of shoes. How using this heel, Ingrid did not know that they were medically recommended. Us यू शुड बी असर्टन, यू नो, आपको मेडिकली अप्रूव नहीं थे. तो कंज्यूमर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, बी अवेयर, बी अवेयर. मार्केट में पता होना चाहिए क्या गुड्स है. ठीक है. ही वॉज अमेज टू लर्न दैट द कंपनी मेकिंग द शूज एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेज विच राइट हैज़ बिन हेल्प बिन प्रोटेक्टेड सेलिंग. दैट इज डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे कंपनी जानकारी दे रही है. इसे हम बोलेंगे एक तरीके से राइट टू बी इन्फॉर्म. That is right to be informed. Next, which consumer rights is violated? Nitesh went to shop a shirt. The shopkeeper offered him 3 colors to show him to was on the display. The shopkeeper told him he could not buy. वो नहीं ले सकता. That is right to choose. Right to choose. Later when he paid him cash and did not take the cash memo. Ask for a cash memo. कौन सी responsibility पूरी नहीं की? That is ask for a cash memo. Later, when he wore the shirt and was about to leave, he torn one button on the shirt. He went to the shop and asked for replacement. The shopkeeper bluntly denied that. क्या Nitesh complaint file कर सकता है? No, भैया तुम्हारे पास मेमो नहीं है, कोई सबूत ही नहीं है. अगर सबूत नहीं है तो केस भी फाइल नहीं किया जा सकता. Amazing Yummy Cakes, a renowned cake making company. The cakes are packed in beautiful packaging, producing egg containing as regulars. Once it happened that contained were packed in packaging green signal. A strict vegetarian realized something different. Content. On his questioning, remember agreed to fault committed. Vishal was violated here. That is कहीं ना कहीं right to be informed. आपके पास राइट ही गलत हुआ, आपको बताया ही नहीं गया. वेज केक को नॉन वेज में पैक करके या नॉन वेज को वेज में पैक करके दे दिया. दैट इज राइट टू बी इन्फॉर्म. ठीक है. Manvindra always went to specific for all consumer non-consumer. In this shop, variety of products are displayed nicely. And the salesperson, जो salesperson था, एक सेकेंड. ठीक है. Gave the sales presenter, but this shop was quite far off a residence. Arman always wonder why Manvinder wastes so much time going to the shop. Many big brands suggest in the consumer non-consumer goods. The reason going to is whenever there except one of which he could not access nearby big brands. कि दैट इज राइट टू चूज़. यहाँ पे आप आराम से सारे कपड़ों में चुन सकते हैं. यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही ब्रांड में से चुनना पड़ेगा. Which consumer right? Rohanit Raj is a patient diabetes who take medicine. One day on his tour to Patna, accident was hospital due to doctor negligence. डॉक्टर ने negligence नहीं दिखाया और भैया उसको तो पट्टा वट्टा लग गया. That is right to safety. Give reason. On Sonika's birthday, a pair of gold earrings. After 1 month, the earrings are losing their shine. She checked the mark of them. It was not a properly hallmark. Cheated by the shopkeeper. Disturbed which rejected. Not satisfied with the decision. She was very disturbed after 2 months. 2 months उनने अपील की. क्या कर सकते हैं? नहीं. आपको अपील डिस्ट्रिक्ट से स्टेट में करनी पड़ती है in 45 days. Can Himanshu appeal the decision of State Commission? Himanshu purchased a new car for 25 lakhs. He was offered free insurance for the first 5 years, 3 free services. took the car free servicing and told that the car not near the first has already been availed. He felt cheated in the state commission. Being not satisfied with the decision of state commission, he decided to file an appeal. आप कितने दिन में कर सकते हो? Yes, against the yes, कितने दिन में कर सकते हो? आप अपील कर सकते हो in 30 days. Last, Himanshi, after completing, started working with a multinational company, but due to ill health of his parent, village, he has noticed the villagers literate but ignorant of the rights, were using stones. Rights उनको पता ही नहीं थी. Right to जन जागरूकता, right to education. इसी के साथ फर्स्ट लेग ऑफ आवर सिलेबस खत्म गाइस. 24 वीडियो जो वादा किया था पूरा कर दिया. अब MCQs आपको लाइव करने हैं कि वैसे करने हैं ये आप बताएंगे. इसी के साथ हमारे 24 वीडियोस ख़त्म होता है. होप आपको मज़ा आया हो. तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को ज़रूर कर देना. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहो. टाटा बाय.